and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a quick little tip. I recently made some coasters and I made the mistake of not putting them the right side down on my piece of paper. So what I mean by that is I have these sheets of paper. One side is matte, the other side is shiny. This is scrap leftover for when I print my shipping labels. I reuse them and I use them for baking. So what happened was I used this piece of paper, I put the correct side down on some of them, but then I took another piece of paper and I put it the same way and kept going. So what happened was my coasters get this shiny film on them. The reason that's an issue for my project is because I'm not sealing these at all. They're going to be matte with no sealant because the coasters, you may know that polymer clay is water resistant and it doesn't need to be sealed as long as there's no mica powders or pigments added to the clay after or before it's baked. So essentially, if you're having this issue, make sure that you're using just regular printer paper or something that's not shiny, and make sure that you're putting your projects matte side down, because whatever side you choose, the clay, if it's touching that surface, will take on that shininess or dullness of whatever you're putting this on. So to fix this, I have some 100% pure acetone. You can get this in the nail section at a beauty supply store or a Walmart. And this one has like a nice little push top that you just push down on and it rises the product to the surface. Sometimes it's a little finicky and it kind of sprays everywhere, so I'm just going to take the lid off of this one. And I have some Q-tips, and I'm just going to put my Q-tip into the acetone. And you can see the shininess happening there. And some places are matte, and this is because not all of the clay was touching that printer paper or the paper when it baked. So it's only these little ridges happening. So you take your acetone and just gently wipe over those areas that have the shininess. And then okay, so I have let this dry, and as you can see, there are no shiny spots left, only from the glitter in the clay, compared to this coaster that I did not wipe down. It makes a huge difference, and there's no sanding involved, which is great because sometimes that can go wrong. I know I don't like to sand my creations if I don't have to, so this is a really great alternative. So let's do this again, but with this one. And this time I'm going to use a wet wipe with some of this acetone on it. And I'm just going to wipe the whole thing. Here it is dried, and here are the results. You can see that it completely takes the shine away, and now these look like they were supposed to before I made my mistake. So I really hope this helps you out in some way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. I'll even do another one if you want to see it again.